So this is not a module. This is new functionality in REDCap, and it's just called a repeating instrument improvement. You wouldn't see this. I mean, you're still just doing repeating instruments, but they added this new feature. And if you look at my design, this is very, very simple. Um, it's just a name here, and then uh, the form that is set up as a repeating instrument. So I just did colors here, and to make sure that we're clear on the repeating instrument, I just set up repeater as a repeating instrument. So I went in and did all these repeating versions. If I wanted to add one, you could see I'm on instance 15. But the new feature is, if you're looking at the record ID, you can now see the repeating instruments below if there, and this was in documentation that wasn't added everywhere. So you might miss it, but it only is going to show up if there are 10 or more repeating instruments. So if you have less, you're not going to see this. But if you do, then you now have like different color options or different, so these correspond to whether the form was complete or not complete or incomplete. Was it a survey? Was it not filled out at all? And you can search for text. So if you were, and you're creating your labels here. These labels are created because I used an option button kind of thing, but any way that you have labels, that's what'll show up here. Anyway, so if you were searching for you wanted to see events or instruments that had repeated and they all had they had a label of blue, you'd know what, you could just find out what repeating instrument it was on. Same with if you were looking for, show me any repeating instruments that are incomplete. This is where it was tricky and I was like thrown off. So when it opened up, the default was completed, the green. What you can't see here is it looks like you've selected red, which you have, but what you don't see is you've also selected green. So you have to actually turn this off before you can see these others. And I had selected yellow when I was previously building this demo. So you have to, if you don't see what you're looking for, try, and it looks like these boxes are more vivid if they've been selected. So if I see how they are, hopefully you can see this well enough, but these are almost like grayed out. They're just faint. But as soon as you click on one, then the color becomes more vivid. But when I first came into it the first time, it looked like this, and I kept clicking on the red, and I'm like, well, where is it? And I'm looking on page 2, because now they do 10 repeating instruments per page. As you see down here how many there are. And so when I kept clicking on the red, and it's like, what's going on? But if you unclick the green, which is showing up, then it all works out just fine. So that's the new feature for repeating instruments, and they have the same thing set up for repeating events. So I just wanted to make sure that if you happen to use this and you see it, you'll know that this is a new feature for this version, and especially how to use these little boxes so you don't think that it's broken and we have a bug.